annoying when someone's trying to get your attention in the middle of a movie and they do that? Kelly! Like this. Why is it my face you have to squeeze? Because your face is not what she said. That's what she said. Give the camera the one that's distracting. Happy? Sad. Happy? Sad. Happy? Hey! That's racist! Happy? Duck? Fishy? Fishy? Do a fishy face again. Oh, okay. Biatchy and Bob.